everyone, my name is Oriana. I'm a professional belly dancer in the Tampa Bay area in Florida. You can find me online teaching classes at Delux Dance Studio, or you can visit my website, orianabellydancer.com, for more information. Today I'm going to lead you through an easy and fun beginner choreography and warm-up so that you can see my teaching style and see if you're interested in full classes. If you're ready, please have some water nearby, and yoga attire with bare feet is absolutely okay. Let's get started. Take a deep breath in and exhale. On this, I'm going to come over to the side and open up through that rib cage. And come up, other side. Up. Interlace the fingers in the back and open up through the chest. And bring the shoulders together, open up through the middle of the back, bend the knees. And come up and bring those arms back, bend down. And forward. And meet the arms up overhead, push the hips out and twist. Circle around, nice big circles. Take your time. Push out in all directions. And switch, other way. Open up and push the hips out. Switch the weight from leg to leg. Push as far out with your hips as you can without tilting the upper body. Add the shoulders, back, back. And bring one arm across, stretch out through the shoulder, pull it close to your chest. Other side. And bring the elbow up overhead, put the hand in the middle of the back, and pull for a tricep. Other side. And release. And let's get started with that choreography. Our first move is going to be in the shoulders, rolling them back, alternating from side to side, coming up towards the ear, and then rolling back down in the back. You want to move the entire rib cage, but keep the lower body still. Elbows go back. The arms float along with the shoulder. And back. And back. Add a level change, bend the leg, and come back up. And bend, and come back up. Bend, and come back up. Other side. Touch down. One more time. And down. Moving to the chest, side to side. Keep the lower body still. Push the rib cage over to each side. Eight. Now up and down. Bring the shoulder blades together in the back to lift up, and then relax down. Up and down. Up and down. Squeeze in the back and down. Up and down. Up. 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 From the side it looks like this. I'm coming up the front of the body, aiming for right underneath my chin with the middle of my chest. Very good. Let's connect the points. Side up, side down. Move to the side. Lift the chest. Other side. Lower it down. Side, lift, side, down. Side, lift, side, down. Keep the knees soft. Keep your tailbone tucked under. Keep the chest lifted. Side, lift, side, down. Side, lift, side, down. Lift and come over to the other side. Lower and come over. Lift, down. Lift, down. Lift, down. Lift, and down. One more time. Other side. Up, side, down, side. Up, side, down, side. Lift, lower, lift, lower. Up and down. Lift up and down and circle. One more time. Let's move down to those hips. Bend your knees. Make sure that your pelvis is tucked under. I'm going to bend and straighten those legs a little bit more to make my hips float up the sides of my body towards my rib cage. We're just moving the lower body. Try to keep the upper body still now. A little quicker. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Raise the arms up. And down. And up. And down. Bend the knees. And up. Little lower. Little lift. And down. And up. From there, we can take that to a variation where I'm only focusing on one side at a time. I bring my weight all the way to my back leg, bend that knee, bring the front leg forward about 6 inches, and I have my weight on the ball of the foot. I slightly straighten that front leg to raise the hip up. I bend it again to drop it down. Up into the side of my body, down to the floor. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down, and down. Emphasis on the down. Lift, drop, drop, drop. 5, 6, 7, little faster. Drop. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's switch sides. Bring that weight all the way to the other leg. Prop the front leg up on the ball of the foot. Lower and lower. Into the body, down to the floor. down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and drop, 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 little faster, drop, 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 down, 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 down. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Relax. Let's tie all of that together into a short choreography that you can follow along. Going slowly, let's go through the movements. We're going to start with those shoulder rolls facing one side. Roll back, roll back, roll back, roll back. Add a level change. And down. And down. From here, I'm going to go into those chest circles. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. One more time. Moving down to those hips. Drop, 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 drop. 5, 6, 7, and 8. I will now move my feet towards the center, face the front, hands float up, and work the hips side to side. Bend the knees, come up, bend the knees, and come up. From here, we switch sides. Place your weight all the way in the other foot. Roll those shoulders. And down. One more time. And down. Chest circles. Up. Other side. Up. Other side. And up. Drop the hips. 5, 6, 7, 8. Come back to the center. Arms come up. Lower. Up. Lower. And up. One more time at that speed. I prop my foot in front. Lower down. Roll those shoulders. 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. One hand comes up to the temple. One hand comes down to the hip. Circle the chest. 2, 3, 4. Hand comes up in the back. Front hand comes out. Drop the hip. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Come to the center. Hands float up. Lower once. Lower twice. To the other side. Again. Roll the shoulders. Bend the knee. Last time. Up to the temple, down to the hip, circle the chest. And 4, hands come up, drop the hip. 5, 6, 7, 8, come to the center, hands come up, lower once, lower twice. Let's put that all together a little bit quicker. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, chest, 1, 2, 3, 4, hips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, center. One more time. Other side, shoulders, roll. And 2. And 3, chest, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the hips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, back to center, 1, and 2. All together, last time, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, chest, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, center, and down, other side, roll the shoulders, 3, chest, hips. Finish it out in the center. And relax, pose. And you are all done. I hope that you enjoyed yourself. Remember to cool down and drink some water. Again, you can find me teaching full classes at Delux Dance Studio Online, or for more information, see my website at orianabellydancer.com. I hope to see you soon in class. Have a great day.